I would like to explain a little bit what is a large language model. I'm not going to go into details, but let's take a simple example of a generative AI. It can answer a question or take orders to generate text in a magical way. How does it do it? First, we need a foundation model. That model needs to be trained. Once it is trained, it can do its magic. To train the model, we need to input data. Then we need to create connections between its data points, pretty much like a kid learning about the world. For example, to train, we can tell water is wet, fire is hot, fire is made of flames, flames hurt when we touch. A woman is a person, a woman can be a wife, a man can be a husband, wife and husband are married, women can be pregnant. And here is an example of a representation of data points, just to give you a sense of how the LLMs are organized. This organization is called embeddings, and here is a simple example of a relationship of man to woman is similar to king to queen. Embeddings are large tables for each terms. It's attributed a value that describes it. So for example, if we take a man, we can say it's very likely to be a living being. Is not probably going to be a feline. It is a human. It probably is a gender. Nothing to do with royalty. Really nothing to do with verb or plural. Do you see the negative numbers means that it's really not a woman. Pretty much the same view. A king will have very strong royalty connection, queen as well, and is also not a verb or plural. It can have many dimensions. And in the end, this is what we get. And we can see here also animals like chicken, wolf, dogs, cats are very much together in the same area, and fruits are pretty much close by. But you can see that a banana and an apple are close by, but Apple, the company, is also pretty close. And Google is close to Apple, so this is how it is organized. And you can see it live in that type of representations. Once the model is trained, generative AI uses it to select the next best choice, giving a first word. Here, if we start with the, it's probably not going to be the case that the verb will follow. So here we receive a list of the possible next word, and generative AI then selects the highest probability of the next word. So probably quick. And once we have the quick, then probably we will have those possibilities and it picks up the best choice.